Hey everyone, touchy here with another tutorial on how to change your name in Undertale. Using this method you can actually exceed the 6-character limit, which is pretty cool because that 6-character limit, I don't know about you, but it got on my nerves. So, in order to do that we need to find the file 0 file within the appdata folder. Now, probably the easiest way to do that is just using the C users, your name, appdata, local, Undertale, file 0, slash is in between, of course. Here, we'll go ahead and put it up here for everybody to see. So, right there, that's what we need. So, we're just going to double click this. Wait for it to load. I don't think it's loading. Okay, let's try it again. There we go. Actually, I don't want to do that. I want to right click on it because that'll give me the choice to open it with Notepad++, and that's what we're going to need. Okay, so it just popped up. You can actually use Notepad for this, but I prefer Notepad++. It's a lot cleaner. Anybody that's ever done any programming or HTML, anything of that nature, you probably know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I can go in depth about these numbers in another post. I will leave a link in the description to the Steam community that actually explains what some of these numbers are for. A lot of it has to do with your attack, your health, your fun level, all that stuff. So if you want to alter that stuff in order to get the secret stuff for Gaster, that would probably be very helpful to somebody. So anyways, I named my character Kara, the one true name. And yes, it is Kara because it's supposed to be a play of character. So I'm going to change mine to Alistair because I've always used that name since I was like 10. I was always a big Devil May Cry fan. I've always loved that that sword from the original one. Okay, so we got it changed. So we're just going to hit the save button. Go ahead and exit out of this. We don't need this anymore. By the way, if you ever want to delete your game completely after a genocide run, all you have to do is delete these files and then reopen the game, and it'll be as if you never did the genocide run. So the true reset obviously don't work, but yeah, just come into this folder right here, delete these, and you'll be good to go. So we can go ahead and open up Undertale again. Grab my controller here. I've actually got to adjust my joypad here, which, if you didn't know, the way that you get the option to do this is just plugging in a controller. Once Windows 10 picks up on it, then you can actually go ahead and open the game, and the game will give you the option to adjust this. So I want my menu to be a different button, so we're going to go ahead and go with that. And there we go. Kind of like a PlayStation setup. Circle would be like cancel, which is 4 on this controller. Menu would be like square on this controller, and confirm would be like X. Okay, so we're done there. So you can see it still says Kara. Here, let me move my mouse out of the way here. Still says Kara, but we're going to hit continue. Open the menu, and if you look up here, the name has changed. So I'm going to go ahead and test a theory here. We're going to go ahead and save, we're going to close it, and we're going to reopen it and see if it actually changes on the load screen. Okay, because it actually just saved as Alistair, so hold escape to quit if you didn't know. We're going to go back to the video, or sorry, the game. Durr. Okay, so here we are. Loading the game. And it does indeed change there in the menu too. So that's all I really got for you. I'm going to leave a couple of links in the description just in case you want to do a different route of getting to your save file in your file 0. One will be for the Steam community. I will leave up for the numbers because it actually explains that stuff. All I remember is, like, I think number 36 is your fun meter, where you can go between 1 and 100. I think 66 is what you need for the secret hallway at the waterfall right before you run into Sands with his telescope. But the other link is actually for the command prompt in Windows 10 to make your hidden files visible to you, so you can actually just go through your files to get to your appdata folder. But I'll go ahead and leave everything in the description for you, including the link that you can type into the search engine to pull up the video, or I'm sorry, pull up your file. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and please comment with any questions you have. I'll see you in the next video. KEE-YAH, bitches!